Malawi, this is Isaac Misoy, right here from Beruku village in Choro. The nice place, the good environment here, enjoying shooting this movie. Yeah, the movie is very interesting movie. Yeah, it happened that to be the director of the movie. I have enjoyed the directing of this movie, seriously, which is about the FISI, the hyena, you know. We have some cultural practice here in Malawi whereby when a man is failing to impregnate his wife,
mabanjam batsingene mungama tibatsai bamakapena bamavuta ndiyo nthawi imene timaganizira za FISI kaunipeza na kalukuzaso sinkani yachira ndo yenyaya.
He hired another man to come in the house, to do a job, to have sex with his wife, for him to have children. So yeah, that's a movie. Very wonderful and amazing characters who are executing the characters in the movie. I love this story. Yeah, the project is belong to Malawi Movies Union. Right here, different characters, different actors from different places, producers, crew members from different media productions come together and make one thing. Now, we are having great plans for Malawi movies, and this is the first movie that Mom is doing.
Nzoko jendo seketsa kwambiri wavela angamuka nkhe kuti ndimatanganidwa amatanganidwa njani yeucha ngojonga na mene uja manje samudoze nzani kwa yori mundiana mava sibu inorutoncho.
It was amazing because I had the very good and wonderful amazing characters in the movie. As you can see, Foloswia, Mr. Joxy, Lexa, Tokovu, Hashim, and a number of them, they were amazing.
FISI scene 54, take 12, 3, 2, 1, action.
Yeah, we just want to encourage the Malawians or who are watching us, wherever you're watching us from, that you need to join us. We are also asking those who have that interest to support the film industry in Malawi. You know, film industry in Malawi is suffering because it's lacking the support from the Malawi themselves. So we are calling upon those who are watching us and you have that potential that you can help out the film industry in Malawi to move forward. You know, we have got the potential here to do amazing films, but because of the challenges that we are facing going through in the film industry, we are failing to do what we are supposed to do. This movie is the local story. It's not the story which we adopted from anywhere else, but it's our own story. What is happening here in Malawi. So we are trying to educate the people so that we have got other traditions, the cultural practice that has to stop. One of the traditions is the one that we see, the FISI tradition.
Inu no kandamene mazoje mungamujana atu. Pena pake ndikuona ngati kuti akazanga ali pa mwezi wa nsele ndi FISI uja.
Iwe kuti uganize zimene zilekeza bwayi.
So much proud of you. Enjoy the film, enjoy the story, enjoy the characters, the actors in this movie. May God bless you from wherever you're watching us. Sure.